We are at the Minuteman missile site near Walls, South Dakota. And it's kind of scary to think about because we are driving up to just this little bitty place and there is a nuclear warhead just sitting down here. And you get to walk up and see it. And we are fixing to go and see what it is.
We're back in the Badlands, trying it again without rain this time. Elijah, they're always ahead of us, and they're always doing lots of fun things that we can't do yet. But that's okay, because we have Emma over here who's jumping. Oh, I have to hold your hand. Boom. Okay, you do it again. So this is what we get to do. We get to play. We found a picnic area, so we have pulled off so we can eat our lunch. So Elijah decided to go sit on a rock and eat his dinner, his lunch. Emma, Faith, what are you eating?
Chicken.
Chicken?
Mm-hmm.
Is that good chicken?
I know.
Silly boy.
It's hard to say no when you have your mouth.
We did not expect to find bats. Can y'all even see that? I don't know. How crazy. I can't be still, obviously. How crazy is that? There's like thousands of bats down there.
There's usually more.
Insane. So homeschooling 101 today, we have learned about bats. And we have learned about sheep and how the sheep are losing their coat. Would you like to see? They look a little mangy. So, homeschool right there. Road schooling 101. Why are you hitting me? What did I do to you? So when you're driving by and you see the mountain peak, it looks like Godzilla in the water.
Yeah, because that is Godzilla. A white Godzilla. The guy is so painted.
He's a painted Godzilla. He does, he looks like he's moving. Anyone else get it?
Robot white Godzilla.
There's an Emma mountain. All right, Elijah and Emma, go climb it. Be gentle with her. Okay. Look at you. Are you the queen of the mountain?
That's Emma's mountain we're sitting on.
Are you the queen of the mountain?
Yes, he is.
Woohoo! We're out hiking and it's beautiful out here. And Emma's kind of gotten tired, so she's sitting down playing in the dirt. Can you say hi, Emma? Are you having fun in the dirt? Yeah. Huh? But the guys, we're in this really funky place. And it literally is like you just walk on the tops of the dirt piles is what it looks like. So I don't know, they're way out there somewhere. So I'm gonna turn it around. You can see like the crevices where it's falling down, and they're out over there somewhere. We keep getting left because we're slow. You see them? There they are, way over there. Walking back over. So we are out here at the Prairie Dog Village. Emma and Elijah, come on. You're supposed to be able to feed them, but we can't feed them because the store closed on us. And I thought they had stuff, but they don't. Look at that one, he's just playing there.
Hello. Look at that.
He's actually like, do you have food?
Oh, he don't come at me. There's no way past it.
Emma kicked him. Oops.
He came him.
It's all the same one.
I think he's the big guy.
They love him. Be still. Just be still. Be still. Be still. Oh my gosh, Elijah's petting it. Don't kick, Emma.
He hurts me.
They're not gonna hurt you. Do you want to pet it? Be very gentle. Approach gently. All right, that's enough. He moved a minute. Okay. Gentle. Oh, we scared him again. That one over there is like, run! It's a 2-year-old. Don't trust him. Be gentle. You scared them. Look, he's eating the little peanut. She has no concept of be still.